Part B of the project for the Finch movement is the drawing project. And this one is really open-ended. There's 100 solutions, there's 1,000 solutions. It totally depends on what you're going to be doing. You will not have a maze to follow. You will not have a grid to follow. You're getting a blank piece of paper and a robot with a marker in it. And the robot is going to draw on that blank piece of paper. Okay, so there isn't a whole lot of, you don't have to think about how you're working through a grid or how there's going to be obstacles. That's not a problem. You're just coding the robot to make pictures. Okay, so one of the things I discovered while I was looking at things is this hour of code, which is drawing on ice. Okay, once you get the hour of code open, there is a video. This is all based on Disney, so it's kind of fun. It's about the movie Frozen and drawing snowflakes in the ice. This person will help explain how to make unique shapes, which could easily be transferred to the Snap program and making some pretty pictures instead of a scribble. Your project for drawing needs to be more than just a square or a circle, basic shapes. You should be seeing something a little bit more complex. Okay, so you can watch through the video and go through that. And when you get to the tutorial with Anna and Elsa, you can see there's a bunch of steps up here across the top. It shouldn't take you more than an hour to do this. It's very simple. Okay. And they have a run button and you can speed up the turtle and all that other good stuff. And they'll teach you about that. But it's the same idea where you can drag a block over, you can go move forward 100 pixels, and you can have it draw your item. Okay, so at the end, you could be making beautiful snowflakes like Elsa and Anna on the ice. Take these ideas that you get from here over to Snap, and you can end up coding a pretty picture. Okay, something more than geometric shapes. Okay? Something that might help you get some ideas going and how to create your image. Okay? That's all it is a resource. Now, when it comes time to doing your drawing, it's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, which is that entire grid that we saw for the maze. Okay, 10 rows across by 10 centimeters, 10 rows down by 10 centimeters, gives us a grid of 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. In drawing, you need to have a center point. So just like in any geometry classes you might have or anything like that, where you're dealing with grids and numbers in science, we have our center point, which is 0, 0. Okay, because we have a center point, you can go to the right, positive 50, right? You can go to the left, negative 50. You can go down negative 50, and we can go up 150. Okay, so you can go the different directions on the XY coordinate, and this might help you in figuring out your drawing. If you're not sure how the coordinate systems work, in the resource library here, you can see here's our resource library, and if you scroll down a little bit, we got the Finch positions in degrees. There you go. We got the Finch position, degrees for movement. We have the coordinate system. We got a resource here with graph paper and coordinates. Okay, so there are some options here to help you maybe get familiar with a XY coordinate system and how those numbers move on the grid. Okay, so basically how this is going to work is I'm going to put a large piece of paper down. We're going to put the robot wherever you tell me. It could be the center point at 0, 0, or you might say put it at negative 50 for X, 0 at Y, and I'll put that robot in that position. And then from there, you can see what it ends up drawing. We have the basic colors, red, blue, green, and yellow, so you can't see it very well, so, but, you could have multiple colors, but those are gonna have to be individual code snippets, because I'm gonna take the robot off the grid, put a different marker in it, and put it down at one spot. Okay, it's not like a color printer that automatically has all sorts of different colors. I'll have to change. Again, the code, the video I will have for you. And then again, these items that we explained in the first video will need to be copied.